Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's live. Welcome to today's live. Yes, we're getting started now. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. We're getting started. Welcome. Thank you so much. If you're just attending, thank you so much. Welcome, everyone, right now to the broadcast. So today I'm going to share with you quickly how to create content, a how to create a video using AI tools. So that's what I'm going to show you right now quickly, and I'm going to share my screen with you as we do that. Okay. So let us say, for example, uh, we want to create a video of encouraging people to adopt AI in their small businesses. So I'm going to use some tools here. So you will be seeing the tools as I use them. I'll be sharing my screen as we go. So the first one that we are going to be using right now is I'll use Gemini to um so I'll use Gemini right now to actually start writing some script, and then we see how it goes, and then we move forward to actually creating a video using AI. So let's get started. Let me share my screen right now. So I'm going to share my screen um right now. I'm going to share my screen right now with you. I'm going to share my screen. So this is the screen that I'm going to share with you right now. This is my Gemini screen. I hope you're seeing it. I hope you're seeing it. So this is my Gemini script right now, and I'm going to share it with you. So I'm going to ask Gemini to quickly write a script for me. Okay, so I'm going to say, I am creating a video to encourage small businesses to adopt AI. So write a script for that video. It should be 60 seconds long. That's it. So I'm going to trust that Gemini is going to do a good job here. So here it goes. As you can see now, Gemini is going to create that script quickly for me. Video script, the small business advantage. That is the title that is giving the script. And now it has put all these things to me as a script, right? So I am also going to tell Gemini here, I'm going to say, write the script as for ElevenLabs. No topics, just a smooth script for audio generation. So I'm just trying to be as raw as I can, so that as a beginner you'll see how exactly this process works. So there we go. Now it has just produced the script for Gemini. Okay, this is the script that it just produced. So I'm going to take the script, copy it, going to copy it, and then I'll put the script in ElevenLabs um to create my audio. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to stop sharing this one, and then I'll start to share my Gemini script. I'm going to share my ElevenLabs script. So as you can see now, I'm in ElevenLabs here, And while it's in 11 labs, I'm going to now paste that script that I created. Okay, so this is the script that I created. And now, so in 11 labs already, I just come here. I will put on text to speech, text to speech. This is where I am, text to speech. But already I created my voice here. I cloned my voice. So you can also actually go through and clone your voice in 11 labs. It's a paid platform. And then once you cloned your voice, this is what you choose here for the voice. I'm actually choosing my voice here, Gibson. And you can see that I'll maintain everything else here, like the stability and all these other things. I'll just leave them as where they are. Similarity, stability 54%, and things like that. I'll just leave them as they are. And now I will create the voice. So what I will do is I'll just come here and I'll then click generate speech. Okay. So I'm going to generate the speech. So it's already starting to speak. So it is great creating the voice. So as you can see, it's already creating the voice here. If you can look at this, it's moving, which means it's creating the voice, and you can hear the voice as it is talking right now. Yes. So as you can see, I now have created the voice. So I'm going to download this voice. I'll just come here and then I'll download it. It's just that simple. So I'm now downloading the voice as an MP3. As you can see, the voice has now been downloaded. So I will now go to HeyGen, which is another platform. So I'm going to go to HeyGen, right? I'm going to go to HeyGen. I think you're already seeing my script right now. I'm already in HeyGen. So in HeyGen, HeyGen is going to create a video of me talking and speaking. Also in HeyGen here, you can come on avatars and you can actually clone yourself. You can upload a video and then you can clone yourself speaking. It's very easy to do that. Okay. So now I've already cloned myself. I already have some avatars in here, and those are the avatars that I'm going to use. So I'll come here on avatars and then just click them, and then I'll choose an avatar that I actually want to use. Right. So all these are my avatars that I created. So I'm going to use I think I'll use this. Right. Let me use this one. I'll use this one. I'm going to select this one. So, and then I'm going to come here and say use in a video, use in a video, right? Okay. So I will come here now. I have chosen this avatar and now I'm going to upload the audio that I already have. So I'm going to upload the audio that I already have. So just click upload. Then I'll pick my 11 labs for here from my folder in my Google, in my downloads on my computer, and then it will come here. Okay. Now you can actually see that the say confirm the audio. Now I will say add the audio. Now I have it. It's actually here. All right. So what is next for me here is actually to um so the voice is saying Gibson 1, That is in fact the voice is already there also. I actually combined my voice from ElevenLabs to HeyGen before this, but here showing you if you are using them separately. Okay, if you are using them separately. So I can also have a choice of choosing the voice here. If I want to change the voice, if I click here. So this is the voice that they are offering to give me. Okay. So I'll just come here now, and because I've done this, I can now click generate. Okay, I think I have created. Okay, let me go back a little bit. Let me go back here. Okay. All right. So let me avatars. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I'll just get into AI Studio. Let me do the AI Studio pathway. Let's see how that comes up. Right, AI Studio. Yeah, so I'll just use, already there's this avatar choosing here that I can use, but I can also change it if I want. This avatar, I can actually change it. Right, I want to use this one. Right, so now I can use this one that I want to use, and here I can now upload my audio. Let me upload that audio, that ElevenLabs folder. There it comes. Right, uploaded. Okay, so add audio. I've just added the audio now, so you can see the audio coming down. All right, so there we go. Here the audio has been translated, transcribed back to words, but still I can now click generate here on top. So if you can see on top here now, I can actually click generate. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to click generate. The title of the video, I'll call it SMB AI Advantage. Like that. Advantage, so that we just know it. I'll leave everything else the same. Okay. Then I'll just click submit. All right. There we go. So now it is actually creating the video. It is now creating the video. As you can see, it's gonna take some time to do this. It's gonna take some time to do this. All right. But very soon it will also actually show you all these things, right? But you can also use a connection. You can connect your ElevenLabs with your HeyGen so that the voice is just already connected to HeyGen, so you don't go back to ElevenLabs. So you can just take the script straight from either ChatGPT. In this case, I use Gemini, and then you just paste it straight into your HeyGen, and then HeyGen will use your voice that you already cloned using ElevenLabs without going back to ElevenLabs. So that's basically what a lot of people then end up doing. But here I just showed you step by step where you go from Gemini, you go to ElevenLabs, and then you go to HeyGen. But you can actually just jump ElevenLabs by going straight to HeyGen if you have already linked your voice from ElevenLabs with your HeyGen. So a lot of people also can actually do that. But as it will continue to do this for some time. It can take a little bit of time to do this. Okay, to do this, to do this, to do this. But what is it is doing that also? I just want to show you our school community. I want to show you our school community. We actually have a school community here. So we have a school community where we teach people how to connect all these things and how to, you know, do all these things also themselves, connecting everything together. So these are our AI automation lab. If you can join this, you will learn a lot. So I'll just go to the classroom here and show you some of the things that we do. Here we actually give you an introduction. You just come here, you get started, and it will give you direction of where you can go, what you can do. All right, all right. Let me enlarge this so that you can see a lot of it. Okay. Yeah. So here you're seeing this. Uh-huh. So if you start from here, you can actually see all these things. And then you can also come here in AI Automation Lab. And then the AI Automation Lab, you will be seeing all these quick automations that you can actually do using N8N. We already have the documentation and the files inside here. So you can also see this here. For example, you can do this one. You just download the N8 file here and then you upload it in your N8. And then you follow the documentation that will be describing exactly what you should be doing stage by stage. All right. So all the documentation will be there. Will be there. Um, if you go back, so so in it, and we have a lot. All these are already um, automations that you can just download and then upload into your N8, and you can learn a lot of things, a lot about N8 and from the here. Okay, and then on the and then we also have an AI content production course, which we continue to add stuff and we are adding all the topics, teaching people how to do a lot of things in terms of AI content production, from writing to creating videos, and all those kind of things. So we are going to continue to add stuff in the classroom as we also continue to move forward. Yeah. So I just thought I should show you this community that we also have. All right. Um, let us check where our HeyGen is now and see if there is progress. Okay, it seems like it's taking a little bit of time to actually, complete this. All right. So let's give it a little bit of more time again as it continues to do this. And in the meantime, I'll just come here and talk with you a little bit and hear where you're watching from. Yeah. So if you are still on the chart, if you're still here, just let us know where you're watching from. Just let us know where you're watching from. All right. Okay. 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 Yeah. Thank you so much for Thank you so much for actually attending the session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, you can also take other people that you think will be interested in all these things. You can also take other people that you think will be interested in all these things. AI automation, AI content production. Yeah, those are the things that we are focusing on mostly. AI content production. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'll check again. Let me check if we are having progress. Seems like we're not having quick progress as I would have wanted to have. Um, it's still working on this. Let me refresh the page and see if it's going to change anything. Yeah, so it is still working on that. It is still working on that. Let us give it a little bit of time again and see exactly where it goes. If you've got any questions, you can also type them in the chat. We'll be answering all those questions. If you've got any questions, just type in the chat. If you just have a question, just type something like I'm following, I'm learning, so that I know that you are actually in here. Just type something like that. Just type that. Just type like that. Just type something like that. Just type something like that. I will be seeing all the questions that will come. Okay, classroom link. I'll also put the link for the classroom. Let me put the link for the classroom. So the link for the classroom is actually, I'm going to paste it here. So this is the link for the classroom. If you want to join, I'm going to paste it in the chat here. Right, there we go. So this is the link for our classroom. So that's the link. For the classroom. So you can actually see the link for the classroom there. Um, so I'm just checking here. If there is any progress here on the avatar, I'm just checking again. So I'm just going to stop the original. Right. Okay. So it's now actually working. It's moving. It's at 48%. Yes. So yeah. So this, yeah. So if you want to join our community, you can also join our community using that link that is there. Um, all right. All right. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So we're gonna check again. It is now at 70%. So it is moving very fast. So yeah, it's now coming up. We're gonna see how it works out. I'm gonna see how it works out, right? Gonna see how it works out. All right. So it's very easy. So this is the process. You just come into Gemini. Gemini will give you a script. You can also use ChatGPT to get a script. You can use Cloud to get a script. You can use Perplexity to get a script, or any chatbot to get a script. And then once you get your script, you put it in 11 Labs. 11 Labs will then create an audio for you, and then you download the audio. You can actually put the audio now in HeyGen, and then HeyGen will create a video for you. And that happens especially if you already have created your avatar in HeyGen. So let me just share with you here right now the HeyGen. I think it's now at 8%. I'm just going to share that window with you. So here it is. In fact, it's done now. It's actually done. So this is the video that it has created. Um, so I'll just play the video here. Okay. Okay. So it's not playing. Maybe it needs some time. Yes. Yeah. So tell me if you are seeing the video, if you are hearing the voice. Okay. I think it's not sharing, so I'll restart again. Okay. So let me just share again. Maybe you will see it as a static because right now it was not showing. Yeah, but this is the video that we have actually created, as you can see here. That is the video that we have actually created in ElevenLabs. So I'm going to download this video also. I'm just going to download it. Let me download it. So here I am downloading it. Right. So now I've downloaded the screen, the video, it is downloaded. So we want to edit this video also using AI. We're going to take it into captions now. So in captions, so this is captions. Let me share the script for captions. Yeah, so it's, you can actually see it. It's saying, hey, welcome to captions. And we can actually edit this video using captions so that it can add some B-rolls to this. Okay, so welcome to captions. So we already registered. What I'm just supposed to do here is actually to upload this video, right? I want to upload the video. So there is the video. I'm going to upload it, right? Just uploaded it. I think you can see it. The video is getting into captions, right? After it is downloaded, and then it says, hey, add a style. We just want to add a style here. We don't want to, we just want to add a style, create my video. Okay. Okay, so it has updated its interface actually, because in the past we wouldn't have this. So I'll just say add B-roll that is relevant and put captions. So I'm just trying to say something like that. But it's also saying add style. Let me see on the style. So I'll choose this style. Then I'll click create my video and see how it goes. So let's hope it's going to work out this. And it is going to give us a video that has been edited. Okay. So it is working on it. It will add the captions. It will also add some B-rolls. It will make it look nice. And yeah, we hope. Right now it's working on the video. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. So captions have just changed their interface here. It was a bit more simpler. You would just upload the video and then it would just change. You would just choose a style. And after choosing a style, it will just work on it. But right now I'm seeing that there is kind of like a change in terms of how things have actually happened. Things are happening actually. You know, there is a kind of change in that. Yeah, but it's working on it. It's on now on 16%. It is now on 16%. It is actually now on 16%. All right. Yeah. Okay. So while it is working, while it is working, let's just wait a little bit for it to be working, and then we see how it goes. Okay, so all right. Okay, while it's still working, I'll also just take this opportunity to share some of you and those who will watch later. Um, if you want to start a business which is based on AI and AI automation and content creation using AI, I'm also running this sprint. We call it the AI World Sprint 0 to 1 million. It's a 4 week live cohort, that is comprised to create your net worth within 18 months. Okay, so this is built for doers at end stage. If you can buy a business and then you can implement these principles, or you can start a business from scratch. You're side hustling right now. You want to be full time in your business. You want to leave your 9 to 5. Maybe you have a product or a service, a physical product that you really want to scale up. Okay, we are providing live accountability, proven frameworks. If you're a content creator and you want to turn your content creation into business, also you're free to come. And this is about my story, how I've been running my businesses, the monies that I've raised, what we are raising right now, and the companies that I have also been working on, just to make you know who I am and what I'm doing. Yeah, but this is very different because within 4 weeks, you're going to speak with somebody who's actually building businesses. And also, you're going to learn a lot about AI content driven from day one. And then you will learn how to build from start. We're going to give you the foundation, the systems, the scale, and also show you how you can actually create wealth in this, right? So if you're interested in this, I'll also put the link in the in the in the description there. I'll just put the link so that you can actually learn how you can join this and how you can reverse a spot for reserve a spot for yourself if you want to be part of this. All right. So I'll also put a link here so that people who wants to know more about it can have this. So I'm going to put a link here, copy the link and share it in the chat, right? So there is the copy of the link of the chat of the AI Wealth Sprint that we are actually running. Right. Let me check where we are now with our video. So our video is saying it's still at 43%, which means they are working on it. It is still at 43%. But as you can see, we took a script from Gemini, which is a Google AI chatbot, and then we actually send it to ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs give us a voiceover, and then we took the voice, we put it in HeyGen, and then HeyGen gave us a video. But now we are actually editing that video using uh using uh using captions. So let me refresh and see what captions will do here, if it is going to fast track it or not. Okay, so it's still working on it. I'll show you here on the screen. Let me just show you. It's actually working on it. It is still working on that. So as you can see here, it's now at 65%. It is still creating the video. All right. So once it is completed, we're gonna now see the video. Also going to actually download it, and then we can actually, um, upload it. Right. So while it is still doing this, I'll take you back to Gemini. So I'm going to take you back to Gemini here, and then let me go back to Gemini and show you some of the things that you might need to learn. So I'm going to share my screen again. Here, so you are now seeing my screen. So with Gemini has created this script for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this script again, and then I'll ask Gemini to now create a thumbnail. I'm going to say now create a thumbnail for this script, right? Um, it's it is for a YouTube channel, a YouTube short. All right. I'll not give it too much. I'll just say let it be highly clickable, highly clickable, and SEO friendly. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. Um so at first I'll say create a thumbnail prompt because I don't want it to create directly just a thumbnail, but I can say okay, let me just say we can do both. I'll just say create a thumbnail so that we don't spend much time. It will create the thumbnail. So already it's connecting, as you can see. It is now creating a thumbnail for ChatGPT. Let me enlarge the script so that you can see. All right, it is now creating the thumbnail here. Um, he's gonna be working on it. Right. So there we go. There's a thumbnail that we actually have. Okay. So you can actually download this thumbnail and you can change this video if you don't want it. You can change this photo if you don't want it. So I'm going to download this thumbnail. Actually, it's a good thumbnail. I like it. So I'm going to download. Right. So I'm downloading it. While I'm downloading it, I'm going to also go back and say now write a YouTube description for this thumb for this video. Right now, write a YouTube description for this video. So it is going to write a YouTube description for the video. You're going to see that coming out. It is okay. It is adding another many other issues, but I don't want you to add all those things. I just want uh this to come out. All right. Yeah. So as you can see, we have actually created these. We now have a thumbnail. We now have a description. Uh, let's go back and see where we are with our video in the. So I will stop sharing this. Right. Stop sharing. I will share the window for captions and see where we are. All right, there we go. So captions now, I think they're done here. You can actually see it. Um, so yeah, so the videos came out nicely. All right, the videos come out nicely. You can see it there. It has got captions. They've edited everything. Um, but also it's in landscape. I don't want it to be in landscape. I wanted it to be in 916, which is a YouTube short. But I can solve this by just going to Canva and then adjust it. Or so that's what I'm gonna do here. Let me just I will then go to Canva and then um I'll just go to Canva. So I'm going to go to Canva here and create a video. Okay, so let me share my screen again with you. All right. So before I do that, we're gonna come here and we're gonna download this video. So let's download it. So now we've downloaded the no. Download the wrong one. We want to all right. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. So we have downloaded the video. Now I'm going to go on Canva. I'm going to go into Canva just to finalize the video now. We already have everything that we need. Canva. So I'm just going to go in Canva and put. So let me share this with you also. So stop sharing this one. Now I'm sharing the Canva tape. Okay. There we go. Right. Hope you're seeing my Canva now. So in Canva, I'm just going to upload the video that I've just finalized. I'm just going to upload that video. That's what I want to use. So there we go. I'm just going to go on uploads. Now I upload the video that I've just downloaded. I'll also upload the thumbnail that I've just created. So I upload them and now I have them on the table. So this video, I'm just going to come here with it and then I just clip it, resize it, minimize it. Yeah, ideally it was supposed just to come as is, but here I'll just keep it like this and then I'll put a background on this on this video. I can put a background here in terms of colors, or I can actually search a background. Let me just say background. All right, so I'm gonna get, okay, so all right, let me see designs. All right, nothing is coming out that I want. Elements, okay, I can use this as a background and I can enlarge it or duplicate it. There it goes. Right, so now I have got a nice background here. Duplicate it again, duplicate it again. All right, and pull it back. Okay, so now I have a background here. I'm okay with the background. I'm going to now just add some audio. So I already have my audio uploaded. So I'm just going to find one of my audios here. I'm going to use this one. So there it goes. All right. I'm going to also kind of like duplicate the track. And all right. Okay, so there we go. Now I have music. I put everything in here. I'm going to put my thumbnail at the beginning just to show you that thumbnail that we've just uploaded. We have it. It's under images. This is it. So we're going to put it at the very beginning. Okay. It has to come at the very beginning. So we're going to put it here, but we're going to enlarge it to make sure that it's actually going to cover the whole screen. Something like this. Okay. Reduce it a little bit so that it just covers maybe the first few seconds. There we go. Now we have our video. So our video is now almost done. What we need is just to reduce the music. We're going to come here. The music is good sometimes to put it at just like 20, 21, thereabout. Right. So I'll put it at 20, 21, and then I'll sync the beat. Right. So there we go. There we go. We now have our music completed, our video.
Or an assistant that handles your scheduling while you sleep. This isn't about robots replacing you. It's about giving you your time back. Small businesses using AI are already saving over 20 hours a month on busy
All right. Okay. If I want, I can also increase this speed now here. I can just come here on speed. I can also increase it to 1 point, let's say 1. Then we see what goes. All right. So I think that will match this. Yeah, that's which is good. Okay. So just leave it like that. Now I'll come in, just download this. We now have a complete video here that we can actually download. Okay. So I'm going to come here on Canva. Then we just click download MP4 video. We're downloading the video. So the video is done. Everything we have, just adjusted it a little bit here. But everything is actually done now. So once we have downloaded this video, we have created a video. We are done. We have created a video. We are done, right? If you're going to work as an agent quickly, I'm also going to show you now how you're going to upload this, right? So let's talk a little bit about that. And then so I'm going to stop sharing this actually, and then we're gonna show you exactly how we upload this. How are we gonna upload all this? So right now I'm just going to my YouTube, right? And then I'm going to upload this whilst you're seeing. So upload video. Okay. So now I'm in my YouTube. I'm going to share it with you so that you see we now have a video that we have and we can actually upload it. Right. That's how you create the video. Okay. Yeah, I know some of you are saying you're not hearing the voice. Yeah, I think you're not hearing the voice, but I'm going to upload it right now while it's you're seeing. So that's the video that we just created. There it is. We uploaded, and then I'll come here in Gemini. I'll take the title that we created with Gemini. Remember, we created the title, the Small Business AI Advantage. That is the title. I'm going to paste it here. All right, paste, and then I'll also put hashtag AI here just to do that. The description, remember, we created a description again with Gemini, right? That description, I'll just come and copy it. Okay, I'm going to copy it, and now I'm pasting it again here on here. Now they'll ask me if this was created for children. I say no, it's not. And there we go. There is our video. You can see it. And then I can say next. Now the video elements, they're going to check. If I wanted to connect with other videos here, I can actually connect it with other videos. But at this point in time, I'm just going to say next, and no copyright issues found. Next, and then public. All right. If you want to schedule it, your video, let's say you want to schedule it, you can come here and say schedule. Then you choose a date, wherever you want to put it, and then you also choose a time, right? But at this point, I'm not scheduling it. I'm just going straight to publish the video without scheduling it. So I'll just click here, publish. All right. So now I've published the video. There it goes, right? I'll copy the link. I'm going to send it here in the channel so that you can actually see the video that we have published. Make sure to follow also that YouTube channel. It's our AI automation channel that we used. So I'm going to send it here. Right. So this is how you actually do it. This is how you create a video using AI and all these other things. So I hope you have learned a lot from this video. You can actually share this YouTube link that we were on, or you can share the Facebook page where you were at, and with other people, just share it so that other people also can learn how we can create this here. So in the AI automation lab, we also teach you how to then automate the whole process so that you just do this by clicking a button, and then everything else will actually go around and you will do everything. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being here. I'll be seeing you in the next videos. I'll be seeing you tomorrow as we do another live session. But thank you so much for being here. This was great having all of you here today. Share this video with other people. Go and watch the video that we created together, and also like it, love it, because you were part of this as we were creating it. You actually saw it happening. Bye-bye for now.